Hi guys, sitting in the car again, passing the time, waiting for my wife while she visits her friend who's not very well. We're sitting in the car park under some trees, so it's quite dark. I'm not sure how the video will turn out. The sun has just come out. It's been raining heavily. Anyway, I'm sitting here doing these wooden puzzles again. Just did the monkey and had a bit of a disaster. I dropped one of the pieces down there inside the car and I can't get to it. I've tried. I've spent quite a bit of time trying. So luckily it wasn't a piece that shows, so the monkey looks fine, completed. So we will move on and we'll do the penguin. Got my action camera attached to the steering wheel, so that's the one we're actually going to use for the filming. Penguin builds in 20 minutes. If you can get the plastic off. Yep, I think we're alright. You can probably hear the rain in the background. Sun's out, but it's still raining. A bit of sandpaper. This looks fairly straightforward. One centerpiece and then got all the sides and then a couple of wings to add afterwards. And the pieces, this says JP222, which is the puzzle number, JP222, and then it says 1/2, so that's sheet 1. And then this one, oops, says, oh there, down at the bottom end, JP222, 2 of 2, so that's B and that's A. Because confusingly they refer to them as A and B on the instructions. So part 1 we need B1, B4, B5, A4, B2, A8, A7, A1, B7, B8. So they don't just go 1, 2, 3, 4. What I have worked out is the way they go on the actual sheet. If we have it the right way up, that way up, they actually go 1, 2, 3, 4. No, they don't. No, they don't even do that. They've changed it. The previous one, it made sense. This one, it doesn't. Nope, they're all over everywhere. So, piece we need first of all is B1, which is that one. Then on either side of B1, we need B4 and B5. B4. It's facing away from us. Right. B5. Right. A4. A4. A2. A8. It's fairly logical, to be honest, looking at the size of them. A7, A7. Okay. A1. B7, that one. B1, B8. Okay. I hope this is on camera. I've actually moved the camera since I did the previous one. We'll find out. Two. A6. To line up to go in there. There we go. Well, that was a bit quicker and easier than the other ones. Job done. There we are. Mr. Penguin completed. That only leaves us one more in that series, which is the giraffe. Can't see that.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.